the Timex T315S travel alarm clock. This clock has an AM/FM radio with extendable antenna, wake to choice of radio or buzzer, snooze alarm with 4-minute intervals, and it has a one-touch nightlight for easy night viewing. Now I like the rotary volume tuning. It has thumb wheels in the side of it, but this clock has so much more. I like this little clock, pocket or purse by the way. Check this out. Love it, look at that, with the spotlight on it. But what gets even better is in the back for your AM/FM. Look at that antenna. This clock is stealth.